My name is Pooja. Today's video topic name is predefined and the user defined packages in the Java. So first of all we have to see what is meant by package. The Java package is the group of collection, classes, interfaces, sub-packages. There are the two types of packages. Predefined means built-in package, or second is the user defined package. So first is the predefined package. There are many predefined packages such as java.lang package, java.util package, java.aw package, awt package, java.lang package, java.security package, java.sql package, java.time, java.beans, etc. Predefined packages are in the Java. So one by one we have to see in a detail. So first is the java.lang package. Java.lang package contains classes and interface. Java.lang package contains object, thread, string, etc. Object is the super or parent class of the all classes in the Java. Java.lang package is the default package, so therefore there is no need to import explicitly in the program. It is an default package. Without import you can access the classes of without import you can access the classes in the java.lang packages. Next is the java.util package. This package provides the classes and interfaces related to the collection framework, data structure, and the other utility classes such as the date, etc. Next is the java.io package. This package provides the classes and interfaces for the file operation and the other input operations. Next is the java.math package. Java.math package contains the methods for performing the basic operations or basic numeric operations such as the mean, max, average, sum, cost, tan, sign, round, etc. In this java.math package we have to perform some basic operations as like this. Next is the java.net package. This package provides the classes and interface related to the networking. Next is the java.security. This package also provides the classes and interfaces such as the key generation, encryption, decryption, which belongs to the security framework. Next is the java.awt package. This package provides the classes and interface to create the GUI components in the Java. Next is the java.sql package. For processing and accessing data stored in the data structure using the Java programming language, we have to use the java.sql package. We have to relational database for where at the many times we need to access the data and store the data. That's why we have to use the java.sql package. The various classes in these packages like a date, driver manager, time span, message, etc.